Hi.
Hi.
Callie, what are we going to make today?
A Nutella and Marshmallow sandwich.
A Nutella and Marshmallow sandwich, huh?
And it's a big, really extra big bread.
Okay. So, do we need a plate?
Yes.
Plate. Do we need bread?
Yes. Here we go.
Do we need a Nutella?
Yeah.
Take it.
We need it right now.
Do we need a knife?
Yes. And I'm allowed to touch that knife. That kind of knife.
Oh, you're allowed to touch that kind of knife. Do we need marshmallows?
Yeah.
Put some marshmallows.
And I'm gonna dip my finger into it.
Oh, good. Do we need
some of the marshmallow?
Daddy's gun?
Huh?
Do we need Daddy's gun?
No.
Okay, I'll go ahead and put it back.
X.
X?
Mm-hmm.
Where's it? That's cute. It's not a Dracula or an evil sparkly vampire. But, all right, you ready?
Easily sparkling vampire easy to find.
I bet.
Grab it and punch it in the face.
Grab it and punch it. Is it that easy?
And then throw it out the window.
That sounds crazy easy. Can you open it? There we go.
Can I dip my finger in?
No, you cannot put your finger in. That's unsanitary. All right. You ready? What do you do first?
Dip it in.
Dip the knife in. Knife in Portuguese is faca. If the knife is made of steel, it's a faca de aço. Can you say faca de aço?
Fuckity asshole.
Very good, Laura. I'm Callie.
It's an asshole.
Aço.
Asshole.
Very good. You're doing a fantastic job of evenly spreading the Nutella.
That's how mommy does it.
That's how mommy does it? I believe you. You're concentrating so hard. Who's that? Sissy.
That's my sister.
Yeah, it's your baby sister. Hello, baby.
No.
You want some sandwich?
No.
Okay.
No. Nobody wants a Nutella sandwich.
I think that's pretty good. Is that pretty good?
No.
No. Looking pretty good.
Done.
Done. Just go ahead and make this disappear. Now what? You put marshmallows? How many of them? What? Did you eat the marshmallows?
Yeah.
Okay, well go ahead. Can you give Daddy a marshmallow?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Okay, put the marshmallows on the sandwich. Sissy wants a marshmallow. I'm gonna give Sissy a marshmallow. Here you go, Sissy.
Marshmallow?
You need more marshmallows than that, don't you?
2 marshmallows?
Okay, that's enough, right? Is that enough? No?
No. So not enough.
Daddy wants to help. Daddy's OCD is kicking in.
No.
Must evenly distribute marshmallow. I'm joking. This is so hard to do with no depth perception.
I did it!
You did it! Is that enough?
It's a marshmallow.
Is that enough?
No.
You need more on there? Well, you just keep shoving them in your mouth. Stop shoving them in your mouth. Put them on your sandwich. All right, that's enough.
Now what?
Now, you want to put the sandwich together?
Put it on top. No.
Oh, hush.
That's how you do it.
Okay, take a bite. Tell me if it's good.
I'm going to bread.
Is that how you eat sandwiches? Just go straight for the middle? All right. Is that good? All right. Good job, Callie. High five. Yeah, high five again. Yeah, kisses.
A chocolate kiss.
Chocolate Nutella kiss. All right. Thank you, Callie, for teaching us how to make a sandwich without a gun. Sans firearm. Good job.